Hello students, welcome back to the class, and today we are going to discuss the assertion and reasoning type questions from the chapter Chemical Reactions and Equations. Students, in your term 1 exams, the objective paper will be based on MCQ questions and assertion and reasoning type questions. So I hope that these questions will definitely help you in your upcoming term 1 examinations. So without wasting much time, let us go into the questionnaire. So in our first question, assertion states that in the reaction given here, where zinc reacts with hydrogen ions to form zinc ions and hydrogen, zinc acts as an oxidizing agent and hydrogen acts as a reducing agent. Students, here zinc is losing the electrons to form the zinc ion. So that is why it acts as a reducing agent, or we can say that zinc is getting oxidized and hydrogen ions are getting converted to hydrogen molecule, and that is why it is called as oxidizing agent, or it is said to be reduced. So this particular statement is a false statement, whereas the reason states that an oxidizing agent accepts electron while a reducing agent loses the electrons. So this is true statement. That is why option D will be the correct answer for this question. In our next question, assertion states that hydrogen sulfide and oxygen, when they react, they form sulfur and water, and this is a redox reaction. Definitely yes, so it is a true statement. Reason states that in redox reaction, oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. It is a true statement, and reason is giving an explanation to assertion, and that is why option A will be the correct answer. In our next question, assertion states that the reaction during which hydrogen is lost is called as oxidation reaction. Whenever an hydrogen is lost, it is definitely called as an oxidation reaction. So it is a true statement, whereas the reason states that reducing agent removes hydrogen from another substance. So it is a false statement. Okay, so option C will be the correct answer. In the next question, assertion states that magnesium wire burns in presence of oxygen. It is a true statement. Magnesium, when burns in presence of oxygen, it burns with bright white flame, and magnesium acts as a reducing agent. So here we can say that the reaction goes like this. It forms magnesium oxide, where magnesium has lost the electrons and formed magnesium ions to react with the oxygen, and that is why this is also a true statement. And we can say that reason is not giving any explanation to assertion, so option B will be the correct answer. In our next question, assertion states that corrosion of iron is commonly known as rusting. So students, you should know that whenever a metal reacts with the oxygen or the atmospheric gases, that is called as the corrosion, and rusting word is used for the iron corrosion, and that is why this is a true statement. Whereas reason states that corrosion of iron occurs in presence of moist air. It is also a true statement. It is not giving any explanation to assertion, and that is why option B will be the correct answer. In our next question, assertion states that food materials are often packed in airtight containers. It is a true statement, so as to prevent the spoilage of the food. The reason states that oxidation resulting in rancidity is prevented. Due to the oxidation, food spoils, the taste of this food spoils, and that is why it is also a true statement, and it gives an explanation to assertion, and option A is the correct answer. In the next question, assertion states that the food items containing oil and fats are flushed with nitrogen dioxide. Students, the gas which is used is just nitrogen, so this is a false statement. Whereas the reason states that oil and fats become rancid on oxidation, which has the bad taste and smell. It is a true statement. So the correct answer for this question is option D. In the next question, assertion states that following is the reaction that describes the rusting of iron, and it is a redox reaction. So as you can see, the iron is getting oxidized and oxygen is getting reduced, and that is why it is a redox reaction. So we can say that it is a true statement. The reason states that the metallic iron is oxidized to Fe3 plus ions. So it is again a true statement. Is this reason giving the explanation to A? Yes, it is giving the explanation. So option A will be the correct answer. In the next question, assertion states that chemical reaction changes the physical and chemical state of a substance. So both the physical and properties and chemical properties of a substance are changed during a chemical reaction, and that is why it is a true statement. Reason states that an electric current passes through the water, it decomposes to produce hydrogen and oxygen gases. So it is again a true statement, but it is not giving any explanation to assertion, and that is why option B will be the correct answer. The next question, assertion states that AgBr, that is silver bromide, is used on photographic and X-ray films. Okay, so photolytic decomposition take place when exposed to sunlight. So this particular statement is a true statement, and reason states that AgBr is photosensitive and changes to silver and bromine in presence of sunlight and undergoes decomposition reaction. So this is also a true statement, right? And that is why you can say the reason is giving explanation to assertion, and option A will be the correct answer. In our next question, assertion states that zinc reacts with sulfuric acid to form zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas, and it is a displacement reaction. When zinc reacts with sulfuric acid, it produces zinc sulfate and also gives the hydrogen gas. So this statement is actually a true statement. Reason states that zinc reacts with oxygen to form zinc oxide. So again we can say that in a reaction where zinc is reacting with oxygen, it forms zinc oxide. So it is a true statement, and reason is not giving any explanation to assertion, and that is why option B will be the correct answer. Our last question of the series is, assertion states that when calcium carbonate is heated, it decomposes to give calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Let us see what happens. Calcium carbonate, when it is heated, it gives CaO, that is calcium oxide, and carbon dioxide. So this is a true statement. Reason states that the decomposition reaction taking place on application of heat, therefore it is an endothermic reaction. Okay, so this is an endothermic reaction because heat is supplied from external source, and that is why it is also a true statement, and it is not giving any explanation to assertion, and that is why option B will be the correct answer. So that's all, students. I hope you will like the content, and if it is so, then please like the video and put your comments in the comment box and suggest me which all content you would like to have on my video lectures. Please subscribe to the channel and share this video amongst your friends and help this channel to grow. Thanks for watching this video till this moment. See you until next time. Bye.